pickup of about 4 tackled by Deion Grant. And 14 straight completions for Brady. That is a Super Bowl record.
Well, every once in a while, you can see this guy just get locked in. And right now, the Giants defensively are chasing their tails a bit.
Breaks Joe Montana's record. He had 13 in Super Bowl 24. This is Danny Woodhead. Ironically, with Brady, who grew up in the Bay Area, Northern California, went to a lot of 49er games at Candlestick Park. He loved Joe Montana. In fact, Tom was in the stands with his father when Dwight Clark made the catch. He sent them to the Super Bowl, and then ended Chris Collinsworth looking season on the other side.
And the comparisons between those two are going to go on for a long time. Tom Brady's certainly brilliant, but Joe Montana was too. I got to see that firsthand in 2 Super Bowls, and he got